Click Open Menu to navigate to the configuration window. Select each header to collapse the menu. Click on Segments and the 3D structure and browser region to show the corresponding region on the browser. Making changes on the browser will result in the 3D highlighted region changing accordingly. Navigate to the configuration window and select Highlighting and Labeling to change the line opacity, the thickness, the color, as well as the style. Click Highlight to implement the changes. Select your gene of interest by navigating to the Gene Labeling section. Insert the gene symbol and select the transcript of interest. This will show the transcript of interest on the 3D genome structure. To change the color, size, name, shape, as well as the presence of a label, navigate to the Label section and click the chromosomal location. Click the blue box to implement the changes. To show a gene of interest on the browser, simply click the gene and click Show in 3D. Navigate to the configuration window under the Highlighting and Labeling section. Find the chromosomal region of interest to change the attributes. Click the blue box to implement the changes. Click the yellow box to remove the changes. For ease, we included an option in which you can upload a text file including the genes or regions of interest that you would like to show. Here you can see that the genes and regions of interest have now been shown on the 3D structure. Again, you can change the attributes by clicking the blue box. Click the yellow box to remove the genes.